Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So here today I'm with a new content that is reviewing a product. So I bought this product from Wellbeing. So basically this product is a 3-in-1 screen cleaning kit. I just want to review this product. So the main features that I saw for this product is it's eco-friendly and alcohol and ammonium free, and it's soft and flexible, and it's also antibacterial. You can set up your devices free from the fingerprints and dirt and the oil stains also. Now you can see all the instructions backside of this product, and this brush is the anti-static brush. It's super soft and flexible bristle so that you can remove the dust from the corners also. So this is how we got the product. So this is the spray. You can just spray it on the screen, and just we also got one small sort of towel just to clean when you spray it, and also one brush. So basically this brush is used to clean the keyboard like keys, just to remove the dust. And this is a spray. You can see this is a screen cleaning kit. It's a 100 ml cleaning kit spray. I can say the price is very reasonable because we just had only 3 items and the price is also very less. So you can see this, right? This is a Sounds brand. This is 3-in-1 cleaning kit. You can use it for screens, PC, laptops, monitors, mobiles, even TVs also. And you have this small sort of towel is a microfiber cloth, and you have this brush. So basically I got this product for just 150 rupees. You can use this sound spray for the fingerprint stains and to remove the dust easily, and also for the oil stain, so that your screen will look new, right? I would really rate it 5 out of 5 because of the price and as well as the quality. Quality is really good. If you want to just give it a try, I'll provide the link in the description. Please do check it out, and the cost is also very reasonable. Here you can use this brush just to remove the dust even if it's under the keys. So you can easily remove the dust. So this is the purpose where you can use this brush. So you cannot remove the dust on the keyboard, right? It's not so easy to remove the dust, so you can use this brush. This is very useful. It's been some around 6 months I'm using this brush just to clean my keyboard. Now let us try this sound spray on the screen. So this is my monitor. I just want to show you how does this is going to work. Just spray a little bit so you can use it all over the screen. Just clean it with this microfiber towel. See how clean it is looking. So just use this microfiber towel. So now the screen is becoming so new. I think this product is really worth it because of the cost and as well as the quality. Just use this microfiber just to put the spray all over the screen so that it becomes new. And one suggestion, don't rub it in this way, just swipe it in a vertical manner or horizontal manner so that it becomes so clean and neat. If you rub it like this, no, it's not a good way to clean the screens. Just swipe it vertical, or you can swipe it horizontally. So just look at the screen. So it looks so new, but I don't know how it is looking in the video. But when it comes to reality, so the screen is really looking so new. If you see this keyboard, there is small dust particles, so you can use the brush that I have showed you, so that it might help you. If you just want to try such products in very less price, you can go with this product. Otherwise there were a lot of options for you to purchase, so but if you want to go with the low cost price, just prefer this. I purchased this product from Amazon. I'll provide the links in the description, and thanks for watching.